In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate OneDrive with Notion step by step. This is perfect if you use Notion to manage projects, notes, or documentation, and you want quick access to your OneDrive files without constantly switching apps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect OneDrive to Notion in just a few clicks and start embedding or accessing files directly inside your workspace. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on desktop or web. Once you're inside Notion, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your workspace name with a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens the main workspace menu where you can manage settings, members, and integrations. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings panel for your Notion workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options related to your account and workspace configuration. Next, click on Connections. This section is where Notion manages all third-party apps and services that you can connect, such as Google Drive, Slack, and of course OneDrive. Connections allow Notion to securely access content from other platforms and embed it directly into your pages. Once you're in the Connections section, look for the option that says See All. Clicking this will expand the full list of available integrations that Notion supports. This is useful if OneDrive isn't immediately visible in the default list. Now scroll through the list until you find OneDrive, then click on it. Notion will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and enter your OneDrive or Microsoft credentials and confirm the permissions. These permissions allow Notion to access files so you can embed or link them inside your pages. After you confirm, OneDrive is now officially connected to your Notion workspace. That's it for the integration itself. From here, you can start using OneDrive files inside Notion. For example, when you type a / command and choose to embed a file, you'll see OneDrive as an option. You can select documents, spreadsheets, or other supported files and place them directly into your Notion pages. This integration is especially useful for teams, project management, documentation, and keeping everything organized in one place. Any updates made to the file in OneDrive will remain accessible through the embedded link in Notion, so you're always working with the most current version. And that's how you integrate OneDrive with Notion step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.